Hey guys, it's another day, okay, to check fault. So in this video we are going to look into a serious problem. What I mean by serious problem. Okay, so this vehicle I'm talking about is a Toyota Corolla 1.8. So the problem with this car is once you start the engine and you're about to drive, let's say you insert on reverse or drive, it will just automatically shut off. Okay, and even if you've not placed it on gear, it can still just shut off if it chooses to. So this is a big fault and this is a big problem, but in this video I got you covered. We are going to discover the problem, the fault of this particular. So looking closely, you will see that the car is already unpacked, and I'm going to start. You can see what just happened. Then you see the car just went off. So this is the big problem that this car owner is facing, and this is like, man, so this is a serious problem that we should look into here. As a matter of fact, surgery one for that matter, but I'm the repair guy. I got you covered. That's a minor something, we can do that, man. Okay, so in the video I'll show you the problem. If you're facing something related to this, I will show you the problem, what you should do, how you should solve this to get all rid away. Okay. If you are new to the channel, you're welcome, and if this is the video you would like to be getting, you just have to subscribe to the channel to get more videos like from us. We do give car solutions to your doorstep. We bring the solution to your doorstep. So let's go into the details of today, the facts about this kind of problem is likely to be the fuel pump. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is we are going to check the fuel pump to see what we got there. So I'm gonna open. I already bought the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump. You can see this is the Mr. Mechanic product. You can see that it's a new fuel pump for Corolla, and also 2.7 do use this type. So I'm gonna open. I have 10mm boot holding it. I will use my screwdriver. I'll replace this wire. You can see that the wire has cut off, so I'll replace this. see. Let's see what's up. Oh yeah. Mikey, off and on again. On. Yeah, you don't do.
Before I don't collect for a full in tank of machine, so I go couple finish. Look at that man. Anything like this is sweet and well. The camera too clear, I swear.
So after I've installed the new fuel pump, let's start the engine to see how it goes. Okay, the engine don't start. You can see that it's idling. Okay, so right now let me insert on drive. It's on drive right now. And you can see that the engine is still on, so let me drive. Okay, it's still on. So you can see how problem was solved. This was how I solved the problem. So right now we are good to go. You can see everything was now okay. It's now on drive and it's fine. So hope you find the video helpful. Do well to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.